In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate overtime pay in Excel. We're going to keep this simple and practical, so if you need a quick way to work out overtime earnings using a formula, this method will help you do it clearly and accurately. Start by opening your Excel file. Once your worksheet is open, make sure you have spaces ready for the three values you'll need: your overtime hours, your hourly rate, and your overtime multiplier. These are the only inputs required for this calculation, so it helps to place them neatly in separate cells to avoid confusion later. Next, enter your values into the worksheet. For example, one cell can contain the number of overtime hours worked, another can contain the standard hourly rate, and another can contain the overtime multiplier. The multiplier is the extra rate applied to overtime, such as 1.5 for time and a half. Setting up your sheet this way makes the formula easy to read and easy to update whenever the numbers change. After that, click on an empty cell where you want the overtime pay result to appear. This is the cell that will display the final amount. In that cell, type a formula that starts with an equal sign, then multiply the cell with the overtime hours by the cell with the hourly rate, and then multiply that by the cell with the overtime multiplier. So the formula is essentially overtime hours times hourly rate times overtime multiplier. For example, if your overtime hours are 2, your hourly rate is 100, and your overtime multiplier is 1.5, Excel will calculate 300 as the overtime pay once you press enter. The nice thing about using a formula instead of typing the answer manually is that Excel will automatically recalculate the result if any of those values change. That makes this especially useful for payroll sheets, budgeting tools, or timesheets where numbers may be updated often. As you enter the formula, double-check that you're selecting the correct cells. A small mistake in the cell reference can give you the wrong total, so taking a second to verify the inputs is always a good habit. You can also format the result cell as currency if you want the overtime pay to display more clearly as a money value. And that's it. That's how to calculate overtime pay in Excel quickly using a basic multiplication formula. Once you've set it up once, you can reuse the same approach whenever you need to calculate overtime again.